2008 Toyota Tundra with a 4.7 liter engine. I'll be replacing the spark plugs and remove the negative cable on the battery. Two 10mm nuts, 1 and 2 here. The air switch valve, that's what Toyota calls it. 1, 2, and 3 12mm nuts, and 2 here on the tube 10mm nuts. Flex socket, as you can see. This is where the studs are located on the valve cover, 1, 2, and 3. And once you take out the air switching valve, you have to replace the gasket too. Inspect here, make sure it's not blocked to something. Sometimes it builds a lot of carbon. That way it's very clear here. The gasket is letting leak oil. It's not holding oil too much anymore. It doesn't have a lot of oil compared to ones I have taken out, but it does have oil. And this one has about the same as the first one, the one that is here. The valve cover gasket needs to be replaced. And here are the 4 spark plugs that just came out of right there, the cylinder head. Alright, the spark plugs, this is the information as you can see, Denso. Alright, we're gonna put a little bit of NA6 grease on these spark plugs. These are Denso, remember, but if you're gonna use NGK spark plugs, please do not use NA6 grease. You're not supposed to use NA6 grease on NGK spark plugs. So even though Toyota in the instructions does not say to apply NA6 grease on these spark plugs either, however, I put a little bit just in case. Alright, that's enough, and leave the last two threads right there without any grease. And the gap is already set up on this one, so I don't have to do anything in this case. Alright, what I do is I bring it like this with my finger, like this, and I insert it like this till it reaches the end, the bottom. If you drop it, you're gonna damage the center electrode. And we're gonna tie all the spark plugs by hand first before applying the torque specification, which is 13 foot-pounds. Alright, I have set up my torque wrench to 13 foot-pounds. This is something that you can do without any torque wrench. It's only 13 foot-pounds, so you can calculate it. Alright, and you torque this bolt at 66 inch-pounds. However, I will not be using any torque wrench. I will do them just by filling them. The new gasket here for the air switching valve. The tube is still down, so I'm gonna pry it up like this. You torque this nut at 7 foot-pounds. You torque this nut at 12 foot-pounds. I'm gonna replace this one here, the new one here, and this is the information here for the new air filter. Now I still gotta do the side right there. It's basically the same. If anything different comes out, I'll be showing it. And that's the air switching valve here too on this side, as you can see. Thanks for watching this video, and God bless you all. Here is all the specification from the manufacturer, in this case from Toyota.